Hey guys, Ollie here. Now I'm going to show you how you can set up and sell different products on your Fingertip page. Now, whether those products be physical, digital, even online courses, that is all possible with Fingertip, and with our Stripe integration, you can actually be paid straight into your bank account very, very easily. So we'll go to the left-hand side here to products, and here's where you can set up your different products and manage them all, including your shop link, as well as access to the actual links of the products themselves. So to show you how it looks when you set up a product and how easy it is, we simply go to add new product over here, and then we can choose the product type. So whether it's going to be a digital product or download, a physical product, you can even sell online courses, which I'll show you in a second, access to website links, or even custom products like accesses to services, whatever it be. So let's just say that we want to sell a physical product, and we will sell some plants. And if we're writing a little bit lazy with AI, we can use that to write our description, generate. Perfect. Now, you can actually have the products as private or public. You may not want to have this specific product on your product page, which is totally fine, and you can customize that over here. So we'll just say that we want it to be public. It's going to be $25, but we're feeling generous and it's going to be on sale for $10. Now, in terms of the media, to showcase what the product looks like, we can upload our own images. Otherwise, we can just use our library to find something similar. So let's just say that we're happy with this. We want to have stock tracking. We may say that there's only going to be 10 plants available. Max quantity that you can buy, we can say is 2. And then we can add different variants as well, like plant size, plant color, etc. Now, in terms of the email receipt, this is what we can customize for the user to receive once they make a purchase for this specific product. So we could say that we want it to be an order confirmation, and this is insert, that's perfect. And that's literally it. So then we can open the product link to see what it looks like. And then for the customer, they can just add that to cart and purchase the product. Now, when you want to view all of your orders, you go to orders on the left-hand side over here, and here's where you can view your entire history of the products. Additionally, you can even set up different coupons, such as discount codes for your customers to then purchase the product with their discount. Now, the feature that I mentioned before was our online courses product, where you can create a new course that is very modular and customizable. So for example, let's just say that we've got this 12-week program. We can customize the title, we can add in an image, upload the course content, just so the customers are knowing what they're getting themselves into. And when we go back to the course, we can actually start to build out these modules. Now, these online courses are comprised of different modules that can be dragged and dropped into a different order. And within these modules, you've got lessons. So lessons, again, can also be added to different modules. Now, when you want to edit your lesson, you simply click on that button. You can customize the image, lesson title. You can even customize the content and upload different videos and supporting materials. So what that looks like when a customer actually purchases the product is just like this. So you can imagine here, you can customize the theme. So when they're happy to progress to the next lesson, they just click next over here and they're brought to the next lesson. And you can see here on the side that they've got their progression over here, so they can see how they're actually going through and how much of the course they've completed. The other great feature that we've got for these modules is that you can have drip release. So for example, you can only access module 2 7 days after completing the first module. And that is how easy it is to sell and create products, whether it be physical, digital, or online courses on your Fingertip page.